based on my internet research. It may not be 100% accurate.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's me Universe Collector. In today's video we will talk about a beautiful fitness model. People are often amazed to see the beauty of this fitness model. What do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments. And if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new videos like this. And now we come to the video. Who is Cass Martin? Cassandra Aka. Cass Martin is well known for her heavy lifting approach and bodybuilder physiques, with her partner as her very own personal trainer. Cass Martin is a social media influencer and fitness star who has gained popularity due to her bodybuilding style of training and physiques, while managing to keep her feminine appearance. This is how she went from a construction worker to one of the most recognizable faces in fitness today. She's managed to build a name for herself with a huge following on social media, with a healthy diet and a hard work ethic. Cass shows a continuous thirst for the fitness lifestyle. She's won the heart of millions of followers, along with inspiring women worldwide to build a powerful physique of their own. Biography. Growing up, Cass Martin always had a pretty lean physique, especially for someone who never had a serious athletic background. She's also found interest in areas of life that most girls do not enjoy. Finding love working with her hands and liking activities that center more toward a male audience. That is why it was not particularly surprising to those who knew her that she began working in construction after earning her degree in college. It was during this time as construction worker that Cass met the man who would go on to be her boyfriend, Martin. He had a large involvement in the fitness world, working as a personal trainer, and he introduced her to the gym life. At the 23-year-old and inspired by bodybuilders like Dana Lynn Bailey and Jamie Anson, she made the decision to work on building her physique and sculpt herself after these athletes. Likely for her, she had a personal trainer on call to help her reach these goals. Inspiration. Cass had always been aware of the fitness industry due to her partner's keen interest in it. However, she only found the desire to sculpt her dream physique after seeing female bodybuilding icon on the cover page of the magazine. This was the first time she had seen a muscular female physique, and immediately she became inspired to get lean and gain muscle mass. At this point, Cass set her sights on building a figure similar to her fitness icon's body. At the age of 23, she began training in the gym. Through hard work, determination, and the help of her fitness-based boyfriend, Cass made serious progress to her figure, lifting heavy weights. After venturing into the world of bodybuilding, it was not long until Cass had become aware of the legend of the sports. She saw a video of Ronnie Coleman lifting weights and was inspired by the brute force of the Mr. Olympia legend. Becoming fascinated by Ronnie's strength and charisma, she knew that she wanted to increase her lifts. It was at this point when she began training with heavier weights to achieve her new goal. A couple of months later, Cass' fascination for bodybuilding has peaked. She had fallen in love with working out. She began following the journey of the fitness athletes on social media in her spare time. Cass was motivated by the intense training seasons of the other fitness models and how they managed to retain their femininity during their workouts. She began to idolize female athletes such as Dana Lynn Bailey, respected how Dana presented herself. For the next years, Cass continued to develop her physique. After realizing her goal of building a powerful figure, it was not long until she was recognized for her aesthetics. Modeling career. It was not long before Cass Martin began showing serious and rapid growth to her frame. Using bodybuilding-centric exercises, she was able to pack on the muscle mass in a quick way, while also increasing her strength. Right away, the results were evident as she showed a passion for training and nutrition. As she started seeing results, Martin decided to start an Instagram page just to track her progress. At the start of 2016, Cass created an Instagram profile aiming to spread her passion for fitness with others. However, she did not expect to receive such a reception. Almost immediately, she started to attract fans, with many fascinated by how she was able to stay feminine while being muscular and strong. By the end of 2016, Cass had gained masses of online followers. As a result, she became arguably the biggest female fitness sensation in the modern era. Due to her passion for bodybuilding, Cass is now admired on bodybuilding forums all over the internet. This is just one of the places where she inspires a huge fan base to begin their fitness journey and to lead a healthy lifestyle of their own. It was around the start of her growing popularity on social media that Cass started experimenting with more of a strength training approach. She began to enjoy and long after the power that she saw in others. So she adjusted her training to increase her power as much as she was building her body. This has resulted in her lean but shredded physique, and it also allows for some pretty incredible feats of strength from time to time. As is often the case when fitness model stars gain popularity, a ton of sponsorships and modeling gigs have come her way. Over the years, Cass has worked with companies ranging from Noco Supplements to Gallon Gear and Barbells USA. This paired with her role as a personal trainer has kept her busy any time that she is not working hard in the gym. Cass Martin thoughts. She said, "Nothing worth having comes easy. You have to work hard. I saw a few girls like Jimmy Hassan and Dana Lynn Belly and thought it would be really cool to look like them. When it comes to my training, the basic movement have worked best for me." She said, "My diet is fairly basic and I keep it very consistent. I enjoy eating lot of carbohydrates as well as variety of red meats." She said, "When I became involved on social media, I started receiving such an overwhelming following and so much support. It really inspired me to keep going. I just love knowing that I am helping to motivate others reach their goals too." Training. Cass enjoys training 6 days per week with the heavy weights, always pushing her limits. She will mix up her workout so her body does not get used to a certain routine, sometimes performing 3 to 7 reps in sets of 4, but then performing up to 12 to 15 reps in other seasons. Cass trains individual muscle groups every day, apart from leg days, as she believes her body responds the best to this. She works through 4 exercises per season, adding in supersets occasionally. Martin has a tendency to go for heavy weights, high reps for her workouts. Her favorite exercises are the deadlift, back squats, and bench press. Although she is known for her strong arms, she really enjoys the feeling of working her legs and glutes. Nutrition. Case aims to eat up to 6 meals per day, keeping her body fueled and her metabolism high. While cutting body fat, she eats very clean, keeping her carbs to a minimum. However, most of the time, Cass follows her lean bulking diet, regularly consuming high amounts of carbs and green vegetables. As far as her diet is concerned, Cass Martin stays disciplined and does her best to only eat healthy things. However, she is not afraid to have the occasional cheat meal if there is a serious craving for something that is little less than healthy. That being said, she still has two pretty specific sets of diet plans. When she is bulking up, her diet is broken down into around 5 meals. Idols and influences. Cass was first inspired to embark on her fitness journey after seeing Jamie Harrison on the cover of magazine. However, once she delved further into the world of bodybuilding, she was motivated to become stronger by Ronnie Coleman and Dana Lynn Belly. The social media and fitness icon also credited her fans as her main source of inspiration, being motivated by other people's fitness journey. And now, what we can learn from Cass Martin? Cass has taught us that to be a feminine, you don't have to stick to the stereotypes of what is girly. She's become a female fitness icon after building a strong, muscular physique. You should not conform to what society regards as normal if you are not happy. Just be yourself, and everyone will appreciate your hard work. And the one of the most interesting things about Cass Martin is the fact that despite her success in the fitness world, she still keeps her job working in construction. Not only is this a testimony of how hard she works, but it also goes to show that even when things seem hectic in your life, you can still prioritize and find time to reach your fitness goals. The amount that she has grown in such a short time, both in physicality and popularity, is an inspiration to anyone. And thank you very much if you are watching our video till now, and if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new video like this. And what do you think about this beautiful fitness model?
Give it all you got and never back down. No, I'm never gonna stop, yeah.